humanity's torn. They're teaching us to hate ourselves, to doubt and to fear. Generation of lost souls with no direction or clear gear. Throwing our immunity, our community bonds too. We is isolated and alone with nothing to hold true. Rise up, take back control. Break free chains, manipulated role. Not just pawns, games, human beings' voice. Fight system, make noise. We need to wake up, sheep of time, resist. Question everything, don't just persist. Critical thinking is key, unlock mind. Don't let them dictate what you think, leave behind. Rise up, take back control. Break free chains, manipulated role. Not just pawns, games, human beings' voice. Fight system, make noise. We need to wake up, sheep of time, resist. Question everything, don't just persist. Critical thinking is key, unlock mind. Don't let them dictate what you think, leave behind. Rise up, take back control. Break free chains, manipulated role. Not just pawns, games, human beings' voice. Fight system, make noise.